how to upgrade rides in Top Tycoon. So if you start playing the game, you'll be able to notice that in the first Tycoon or the first little ride, you'll be able to notice a little mini game that apparently lets you upgrade your ride. But eventually, throughout the game, you'll notice that you will no longer be able to do this. Oh, I'm being attacked. As you can see over here, the roller coaster is giving us more currency rather than these ones because we upgraded this in the first part of the game. But unfortunately, that was just a little mini game given to us by the game to maybe just get us hooked. But through thorough research, unfortunately, you cannot upgrade the other coasters or other rides or tycoons, I mean, in this game. The video is titled as this just in case you search for something like this or something similar to this, so that it will lead you to this video giving you this information and hopefully being able to help you maybe stop with your search, since again you still can't upgrade tycoons or rides in Top Tycoon. But still, hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.